Okay, today we're going to look at a weekly chart of AVGO, and this one has already triggered entries. Now, the weekly charts I've been liking a lot recently because they've given us some really good setups. For example, we had the weekly chart in Cena where this really nice symmetry held up, and we saw a nice rally in that today. We had weekly symmetry in BABA where we definitely had swings that were similar here, 28.18 versus 27.17 and 27.50, and we had a nice rally in this one today, hopefully heading towards the target of 199. And what was the other one that we had? Oh yeah, Netflix. That was well, I don't have that chart open, but I did post one on Twitter, and that was where we had those I believe it was $27 pullbacks that were similar, and we held up there, and we're finally seeing some follow through in that one. But bottom line, this let me find that AVGO again. The general pattern on the weekly chart is still higher highs and higher lows, and you can see by looking at a lot of this back data that some of these swings look very similar to one of the more recent declines into the recent low here. Now, what was included in that was some symmetrical projections, which are the red lines that were taken from some of these prior declines. There was also a 618 retracement of the prior low to high swing. There's also a 1272 extension of, I believe, this low to high and then another low to high swing, and they overlap. So bottom line, the general area of support that we were looking at, and this was on the update, I don't know, probably last week, but we held above that support. It has already triggered, but you're starting to see some more, follow through today. And just know that if this bigger picture pattern is going to play out, then the upside potential is going to be to this 294.46 area. Obviously, there's no guarantee that we'll get there, but that's typically what we shoot for. So remember, the way that you make money with this work is setup plus trigger equals trade entry, and then you manage it. This was the setup that we've been looking at. We did see triggers already, and this is our potential upside target. I am going to consider myself wrong on this setup if we break underneath this area.